Okay, my beauties, it's your girl Ada and you are welcome back to my channel. Like I promised before, I said I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make soap from the scratch. I'm using carrot extract and I'm using ginger extract. I'm making a cold press soap, so the extract is already freezing. This is the ginger extract and this is the carrot extract, so it's freezing already. And this is my lye. I don't know if you guys are seeing it. This is my lye and this is the grams that I'm going to be using. And in my oil, I have the shea butter oil, I have the mango butter oil, I have olive oil, coconut oil, castor oil. So guys, it's a simple cold press soap and this soap is going to work wonders on your skin. First of all, we have to make our lye mixture. We just have to pour in the lye mixture little by little to dissolve the extract. And guys, please, your working area has to be clean. And you must protect yourself from the lye. Make sure you wear gloves. So we are just going to add in the lye little by little. So you can see the carrots and the ginger is melting. And you have to add in some more. And this soap, I'm going to be giving this soap out to my new subscribers as a gift. So you can see it's melting. So guys, our lye solution is ready. So our lye solution is ready, guys. Now I'm just going to pour it in to my oils. Wow, this is it, guys. So, and now we are going to stick blend it to have a trace. I think we are having a trace so quickly. Wow. So you can see it, guys. I think we are having a trace so quickly. So I'm just going to add in my tea tree essential oil. Hope you can see it, guys. We have a trace already. We have a trace already, guys. I'm just going to stick blend it a little. Okay, guys, now we can mold our soup. This is a simple cold press soap with carrot extract and ginger extract. These two extracts are very beneficial to the skin. Carrot is going to lighten your skin up, while the ginger has antibacterial properties. Wow. So I'm going to use this to mold. So this is our soap, guys. We're just going to leave it to mold, and I'm going to bring you back when our soap has fully molded. So guys, this is it. See how beautiful our carrot and ginger soup looks like. So by the time it has fully how will I call it, mold, then I'll bring you back and we can see how the color is going to look like. But for now, I love this color. It's so beautiful. So we are going to leave our soap to mold for 24 hours, and I'm going to bring you back, guys. Stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Okay guys, as you can see, this is the soap. You can see how beautiful the soap looks. This is the carrot and the ginger soap. This soap is going to do wonders on your skin. It's going to lighten your skin and nourish to your skin. But we are going to leave the soap to cure for 3 weeks before we can choose this soap. And I'll be making more of different soap every other week or 2 weeks in my YouTube channel. I will be using different recipe with different fruits to make soap. As you can see, guys, this soap is all organic and pure. There is no harsh chemicals added to this soap. And if you love my video, guys, please feel free to subscribe, like this video, leave your comment below and share with your friends. I love you all, and I'm going to see you next week in my other new video. Please stay tuned. I will be uploading every week. Stay tuned, guys. Love you all. Yeah, yeah, oh, oh, oh. Yeah, yeah, oh, oh, oh.